What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a little project. It's a 2018 Mercedes E400 Coupe. One of the subscribers actually brought this car to us. Thank you, Jim, for bringing your car to us. He drove all the way from San Diego. It's about an hour drive, so we could work on his car. So appreciate for the business. Also, if you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week. New week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. You might ask, hey Vlad, where's the damage in the car? I don't see anything. Well, here's a little story. Jim's wife was driving on the freeway and there was a truck driving in front of her, and then out of nowhere the debris and stuff start flying out of the truck's bed, and then it ended up hitting the car, and that's why the car is here. So let's jump in and see exactly what's going on with it. We'll start with the front bumper. Front bumper got some damage over here. I don't know if you guys could see it in the camera or not, but it's right here, like something hit this and flew off, and then got a bunch of rock chips. Rock chip on the hood and rock chip on the fender. You guys might ask, hey, the car is perfect, you can't see. Well, you could see. So Jim obviously wants this car to be 100% perfect because that's how it was. And we'll go around the car and look at the rest of the car, and you guys will see the car is absolutely perfect condition. So we're just gonna respray everything. I'm gonna remove everything, spray it real quick and put it back together, and we're good to go. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, and we'll go from there. Just got the Mercedes inside of the shop so we could start taking it apart and start working on it. So I'm gonna remove the front bumper, remove the headlights, remove the fender liner, and repair the bumper. So it should be a really quick turnaround, and we'll get that car back on the road. Let's go. And then to remove the bumper, it's really easy and simple. Let me show it to you guys. So we got screws on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 2 screws on the side with the fender. Then we got a couple of plastic clips on the side. Then a bunch of screws at the bottom. And same with this side. So yeah, should be fairly easy. Let's remove that real quick. took the whole front end apart. That was fairly easy, probably took me like half an hour or so. So next we're gonna start repairing the bumper. Let me show you. Before we gotta repair this, and then we're gonna primer the whole bumper. So next I gotta remove all those plastic pieces, and check it out. Look how much plastics they got. Like, where do you even start removing everything? But yeah, should be fun. Let's go. Just stripped the bumper completely, so it's all naked, and here's all the pieces from it. Let's check it out. Side grills, main grills, side brackets. So yeah, a lot of pieces to put this bumper together. We're prepping the Mercedes for a primer right now, and I noticed actually the front end's been repainted before, the fender and the bumper. And how do I know? Let me show you guys. So somebody was too lazy to remove this molding when they were painting the car, and look, the clear coat is chipping now. And that's what happens when you're too lazy to remove this molding. Literally takes a couple of minutes to remove it, but you get the quality. So yeah, we'll remove the molding and we're gonna spray the whole front end. So we end up getting a brand new bumper from the dealer, because front bumper has been repaired before, and when they removed the grills, they broke all the tabs. Let me show you on the new bumper. Those little tabs, they're all broken, so the grill doesn't even stay. So we end up getting a brand new bumper from the Mercedes dealership. I make this car 100% perfect, no cutting corners, plus this car is going through insurance, so we're going back and forth. And the insurance adjuster finally agreed and said, yeah, let's replace the bumper. So yeah, this is why people bring their car to us, because we fight with insurance companies to provide our customer the best quality service and product ever. You know, we'll go out of our way just to get you brand new parts, like for example this car. So there you guys go. So let's remove the molding, then we'll start prepping the rest of the car ready for paint. Let's remove the molding and let me show you. See, you could even see the line where they taped it up. Look at this. This is no good, and then later clear coat start peeling. So yeah, this way we usually put clear coat all the way in. This way everything is good to go. That's the difference. You take it to a random shop where they're lazy to remove the moldings, you get stuff like that a year from now on. So pick your body shop wisely, guys. We're doing a little color match right now. How many chips does it have? Two? There's 2 chips, and here they are. They're pretty close. One is darker.
This is the prime.
Looks like that's the one, huh?
For a blend.
Yeah.
You clean the fender and the hood, and then just blend.
So don't need primer?
We're just gonna put sealer.
Yes, no primer, because the chips were so minor and there's only a couple of them. So we're gonna put sealer and then paint everything. Yeah, so that's it. We'll start spraying this bad boy and we're ready to go. Got the Mercedes in the spray booth. I'm just gonna start masking it and spraying it. He's gonna do his magic once again. It'll be like nothing ever happened. Just gonna spray the whole front end, and we got a new bumper like I told you guys already. So this thing's gonna look like brand new, the whole brand new front. Wow! Speechless. Beautiful. What else can I say? Mercedes is painted and ready to go. You guys want to look at it? Of course you guys want to look at it. Let's take a look. Boom. Check it out. Look at this. What happened? Nothing happened. Better than factory. Wow, beautiful. And same with the bumper. Check it out. Perfect. So we can start putting the car back together and ready to go. Anji just pulled it out of the spray booth and wow, it looks amazing. Let's check it out. Look at this. Perfect color match, dead on. What happened? Nothing happened. So yeah, we're ready to start putting the car back together. Such a beautiful color as well. Looks really rich. So yeah, we'll pull the car inside, start putting everything back together, and the car is pretty much ready for wash and detail. Let's go. We got the Mercedes in the shop, so we can start putting everything back together. See, I removed both moldings on both sides, so this way we could get the clear coat and the paint all the way in, and all the edges and stuff, so nothing's gonna be peeling. And here's the new bumper. Nothing is broken, no tabs. So that's beautiful. We're gonna make this car 100% perfect. Let's start putting it back together and we'll go from there. That is it, my friends. Just put the Mercedes together, looking good, like nothing happened. So my job is done here. Next, it's going to Jose. Jose is gonna start washing, detailing the car, and ready for delivery. But yeah, super happy with everything. Everything came out good, looking like a new car. That is it, my friends. Mercedes is washed, detailed, and ready to go. We're gonna call the customer and let him know his Mercedes is ready to go. It looks amazing. And what do you guys say? Let's go inside and find out who's the lucky winner for the LNC head. Let's do it. Let's go. And the moment we've all been waiting for, to find out who's the lucky winner for the LNC head. So let's jump in and find out who's the lucky winner. Once again, we'll be using a comment picker, and let's copy paste and see who's the lucky winner. Let's see how many comments we got. We got 100 comments, 200 comments, 300 comments, 324 comments. Thank you guys so much for participating, and let's find out who's the lucky winner. Going once, going twice, and the lucky winner is dun-dun-dun-dun, TJ. Congratulations, my friend. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your support, man. I appreciate that. Please send me an email with your info, and I'll be more than happy to mail out your hat. And I want to say a big thank you to every single one of you guys for participating. And if you didn't win this time, don't worry. I promise you'll win next time. And guess what? We're gonna be doing another giveaway. I read all your comments on the last video, and a lot of you guys been saying I should do an emblem giveaway from the Jeep. And for you guys, no problem. I'll be more than happy to do a giveaway. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway, drop a comment in this video, hashtag Jeep, and I'll pick lucky winner next week who gets to keep this emblem. Really cool looking emblem. I think it's like 60 bucks at the dealership, so you guys get to have it for free. So thank you guys once again for participating. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!